Hey, Editing Ollie here. Before I start this video, let it be known that I did intend to edit this and upload it on Friday. However, I didn't do that because then I just got busy again. So that didn't happen, and I was like, it was a showcase of a summer project I've been working on, so I was doing that this weekend and haven't had time to edit until now. So there will be references in this video to me posting it up in the same week as the last video, but yeah, I didn't do that. So it's this week's video instead. So ignore any references to me saying that it will be up 2 days after the last one. Hey guys! So I know I just posted a video already this week, but me and my brother are going to IKEA later on, and I thought that would be fun to film. It is currently 9:30 in the morning. I have an event thing to go to at 12, so I thought I'd get up early and just get a few things done before that and take you with me on my day today, because I'm going over to the Titanic Quarter for a hospitality event. So that would be fun to film as well. So you get an extra vlog from me this week, because why not? So hope you enjoy the video and we'll get on. Great. I know, that's great, thank you. Okay, you too, thank you. Bye. I don't know why I'm so worried about making phone calls, because once I make those phone calls, everything's fine, but I like panic at the thought of making phone calls, and then I'm like, I can't, I'll embarrass myself. But that was like really painless once I just did it and stopped putting it off. Go figure. So that is another thing off my list for the day. Well, off my list for this day. So I have other things to do. As you can see, I have this. I have to edit a few videos, I have to fill out a few forms, film a few videos, email a couple of people, order new Wi-Fi because my contract with the one I'm with now runs out at the start of next month. So need to order new Wi-Fi to replace that one, because I'm not willing to pay 30 quid a month for the Wi-Fi to stay with them. So I'm going to go to the cheaper Wi-Fi. And then I go to IKEA later on. I'm excited. But first, it's now 12, but luckily this event is on from like between the hours of 12 and 4. So now that I've done some adulty bits, I'm going to get ready and head out and catch the train over and attend this event, and then come back and bring a book with me, because I don't know how long I'll be there, because they're scheduling interviews on the day, so I might have to wait for an interview, so I'm going to bring a book just in case. So back to time lapsing. got a phone call that I've got a job I did a trial shift for, so that was the interruption. So back to makeup and getting ready. Even though I technically don't need to go to this event now because I'm now employed, but I'll still go because it's around Titanic Quarter and it'll be fun to dander to, so. Okay, so I was meant to head out to this event, but then I got a phone call. Like, this event was a recruitment event to kind of work in the Titanic Quarter, but just as I was about to head out, I got a phone call saying that I have a job in a coffee shop that I did a trial shift for. I'm really happy about it, but it means I don't have to go to this event, which is good because it's raining. I don't want to go out in the rain, so I'm just going to catch up on the rest of my items. I'm going to film a few videos, going to order new Wi-Fi, do all the other stuff I needed to do anyway, just get them done a bit earlier, and then maybe pop around to Clement's and read a book there and chill for a bit, and then go to IKEA. But the good news is, you'll see from the video I posted yesterday that, or the day before, it depends when this goes up, that we moved out of our old flat, but it's been 20 days and we still hadn't got our deposit back, our damage deposit back, because our landlord was kind of holding it. So let's just say my mother phoned up. Our previous landlord is terrified of my mother, and like, she didn't do anything. She just likes quoting the law at him, and so do I, and he doesn't seem to like that. So we are now getting our deposit back this week, which is amazing. So things are looking up today. Got a job, getting my deposit back, and I'm taking control of my diabetes again, so everything's coming up roses. Okay, so I'm currently at this moment uploading the moving video, and it's been uploading since about 12:30. It's only 30% uploaded, and it's saying it still has 2 hours and 21 minutes to upload, and it's been doing that. It has had that time frame since I started uploading, which means at about 3:20, which is the time now, it should be uploaded, or at least closer than 2 hours and 20 minutes. So I'm going to go on a walk. It's still raining, but I'm going to go and chill in a coffee shop for a bit and leave it here to upload, and hope it, one, hope it doesn't get stolen, and two, hope it uploads by the time I come back, because I want to get it uploaded today at a reasonable time. So that's my plans. Ryan's here and we're going to IKEA. Yay! Do you want to introduce yourself? No! Say something nice.
I am her mistress. What?
I would hope not.
Brother.
I would hope!
I got confused.
That's your other job.
English isn't my first language. I am from Azerbaijan.
I'm gonna get flagged.
You mean flagged?
Shut up. Right. IKEA time, and I'm caught.
Otherwise known as the Pussy Wagon or Robert Red Ford.
I'm going to get flagged.
Robert Red Ford. Also.
Oh my god. Are you looking forward to taking me to IKEA?
Not really.
You have other days to do that. It is a pretty nice car though.
I have other days to do that. Well, not really this week. Here we are at DFS.
Do you think they'll have a sale on?
They always have a sale. Customer parking, this way. I'm English now.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay in many ways. I am not okay. Your destination's on the left. Yeah, I noticed.
How can you?
Thank you,
It
Google.
blends in so well.
It blends in with the sky, which is always blue in Ireland.
It's a bit more of like a grey.
That's fucking great. Car park blends in.
Hey. Replace your dining room table with it. You're actually a child. Don't try and pretend you're that strong. I know there's a lever. But also look at that book unit behind you. That is a good one. If only I had a house with that. We're at the warehouse. It's exciting. Okay, 46 and 46. Look, this is exciting. Does it not remind you of that scene in Spider-Man? Like the homecoming one when he's trapped in that thing.
That was a military warehouse.
Yeah, but like.
Blocking your camera lens, genius.
I know. I'll cut it out. Right, 45 and 46. Haha, we're here. Close enough. 45 and 46. Right. So, no, Billy.
You're a Billy.
Is that a Billy? Oh, there's the things. I think that's Billy's
Extra shelf.
door.
This is an extra shelf.
No, that's a door.
Wow.
That's a good cupboard door. Extra shelf. Okay. But it says 46.
For the camera.
Fuck off. But it says 46 over there,
I
Claire.
enjoy being right.
Billy's a. And here is why he's here for like the heavy lifting.
This is the right color.
The oak veneer.
Where is the color on the box?
On the front, I'm assuming.
Hang on. The self-service code is for a specific color, right?
It is 802.
Are you
That's
sure it's not
302.
63844?
No. It is 802 65275.
Harumph indeed.
The fuck?
Are you sure?
Yes. I wrote it down. Every room inside is filled. I found more Billy. What's the number again?
802 65275.
Need to go this way. Okay, this doesn't make sense. There's 902. The fuck is Billy? Billy's drunk. Billy's drunk. He should be here, but Billy is not here. This is 302.
That's probably our get the fuck about.
6.
Hold on a second. That's too wide. That's not the one we're looking for.
Okay, so where's Billy? Where's the Billy we're looking for?
Billy, but this is the wrong Billy.
Oh, here we go. But this is white.
Then you want the oak veneer.
I want the oak veneer one. Where's Billy?
Wow.
I need help.
I didn't know.
We did it.
But yep, my girlfriend's dead.
I do feel like we're almost at the end.
Is this death?
I wish.
Wow.
It's IKEA, so it's close.
I can see the exit. That's how close we are.
It's so close.
Yes, zoom in, enhance, Scotty. Zoom in, enhance.
I can also see food, which also excites me. He's such a gentleman pushing this for me.
How do you say gentlemen?
And this voice is, guys, is why he's here.
I just need to get rid of any on-camera evidence.
Oh, mine's in my pocket. We did it!
That's the point where you jump up and say, oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
We did IKEA.
I died a little inside.
Don't we all? So now we just pack it into the car. Hopefully it'll fit. It should. It's not that big.
You better hope it fits or you're walking.
And then that'll be it. And maybe I'll film making up the shelves. Depends on whether I have the right screwdrivers or not. Who knows?
And a hammer.
And a hammer. If not, I'm sure you have one I can borrow.
I have a bad feeling I will inevitably end up coming out to help anyway.
No, I can build it. I'm a strong, independent woman who needed someone to help me lift the heavy things in IKEA.
Bullshit. Independent, maybe strong, heavily debatable.
Excuse you, bitch. I'm trying to build up my muscle. I have to just shoot.
Scoffing a veggie dog.
Veggie. Alright. We did IKEA. Okay, so I didn't film me putting all my books onto the bookshelf yesterday because my friend FaceTimed me and we were just chatting to each other while we both respectively organised our rooms. So that's why there isn't a time lapse, which I guess you're probably glad about because lack of time lapse is always good for you guys. Or maybe not. Who knows, I like doing them. But here is the finished shelf. I have some plants, and you can tell I have a lot of unicorn decorations because my mum bought me a lot of them. So I have like stationery and stuff there. I have a Sudoku book in there as well because I'm going to try and do those. Just some random paperwork. My kind of notebooks, self-helpy books like stage management, diabetic books, and then my fiction books. So yeah, I'm kind of happy with that. So as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click that like button, subscribe, make sure to follow me, ring that bell if you want to see more videos. I have a couple more planned and already filmed. I just need to edit them and post them in schedules. And yeah, hope to see you all next week. Bye!